So if you want to see the records of particular students, so for that just be selected the student name whose records you want to see and uncheck remaining. Like you want to see records of Abhay and Sohan, okay, then uncheck remaining. So now what will happen, the unchecked box records will not appear in the table, only checked ones will. You can see only 2 records are there, to the records whose name were checked, you can see here. Now if you want to see all, so click on this all button and press OK. Okay, so in this way you can do filtering in your table. Okay, now the last topic of the chapter is searching in a database. If you want to search any name, data, yeah, anything you want to search in the table, so you can type here. See, at the bottom of the table you can see there is a box which displays the number of records. You can see here it displays the number of records. It is showing that 1 out of 5, so means total 5 records are there. Okay, and here is a search box. So in this search box you can type the thing which you want to search in your table. For example, I'm typing a name, I'm typing Mohan, okay, M-U-H-A-N. You can see the text which I have written in the search box, it is highlighted with the black color in your table. You can see, I hope you can see, Mohan is highlighted here in this table. So in this way you can do searching in your table. Okay, now at the last again I am repeating how to save and open existing database. So using Ctrl+S key you can save, or you can click on this floppy icon to save your project or save your database, sorry. Okay, in this way you can save it. Okay, now I'm going to close it. Now again if you want to open it, so just open MS Access. Again I am opening MS Access. The first way I show you, you can open it from here, recent databases, or just open any database. Okay, open any, suppose any database is opened here. Okay, and now you want to open your database. So by clicking on this office button, now click on open. From here also you can open your database. Okay, so in these 2 ways you can open your database. Okay, so that's all from this chapter. After that we have the exercise portion, so you all will try to attempt the exercise yourself. Okay, see you all in the next class. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.